Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use SNGREP services. So as you can see, I have a Vicidial over here. So I'm going to give you a demonstration with the help of Vicidial, how you can use the SNGREP services. So I have already logged in on my server SSH with the help of Putty. So to use the SNGREP, you can use this command SNGREP, then hit enter. Okay, you can see SNGREP SIP message flow viewer. So this particular service is really great. You can see I'm getting some option and some logs over here. Like if I show you, I have a phone which is configured over here. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in Vicidial. Let me just filter the invite logs. You can filter all the logs with the software. Like if you press the F7 key, it will give you the filter option inside the SNGREP. You can filter, like if you wanted to see a particular log, so you can put the SIF from number, SIF2 number, like which number you want, like which number call is coming from, or which number call is going to, source, destination, payload. You can put many things. I want to filter the invites, so I'm going to disable each and everything, then filter. So as you can see right now, no logs is coming because I have filtered. I'm going to only see the invites. So to show that, let me just log in on the dialer once. Okay. As you can see, I have received one invite. So it's saying that shift from. So this is the ID, means I received the shift from this ID to this ID, and source is this, and this is the destination. Status in call, because my phone is currently running. So if you press enter, you can see all the details over here, like this is the time and second, this one is your server IP, and this is also your server IP. I'm going to show you why both are same, and why this will be different when you are going to check it on a proper live call. I'm going to give you a demonstration. You can see all the logs. Like first of all, it started the SDP. You can use the up and down key to select from them. So I am on the SDP at the moment. I am on this one, so it's giving me all the details, like the invite is this is the transport UDP protocol, ring sequence was this, SIP 2.0, this is the via, this is the from. You can see that this is the caller ID that I have currently configured in my dialer, and it tried to log in, so that's why it's showing like this. All the details you can see over here, like the user agent, I'm using the asterisk, date, allowed, support, all these things you can see. This is the RPID, remote party ID, you can see over here. And you can see other details also, like asterisk version, audio, RTP mode, codec I'm using G711, min ALO I'm using over here. You can see all the details over here. Now if you go to the second one, it's saying that ringing, means when it trying to communicate with this particular Zoiper. So this is the log. So let me just give you a real demonstration, so it will be easy for you to understand. What I'm going to do to show you, I'm going to manually dial one number and going to explain you how you can see the logs in the SNGREP. So let me dial this number. I'm going to manual dial this number. One moment. Okay. This is a test number that I currently have. So yeah, if I press the dial now, please n- okay, I'm going to put the dial. Okay, I'm going to dial this number now. So you can see all the logs over here in the real time. So let me just, as you can see, it's saying call setup. Then now it's saying call is in call, because the number that I dialed is right now connected and the call is going on. So if I just hang up and logged out, so you can see I have just dialed the particular number and this is the log. So you can see that I made the call from this IP to this particular IP. This is the source, this is the destination, and this is the status, call completed. So let's open this thing. Okay, so this is a proper explanation. So as you can see that this is my dialer IP, and this dialer sent this call to this particular IP. This is my carrier IP. So when I dial that number using the Vicidial, it dial that number and send it to the carrier IP which is registered in your dialer. So all these details that I mentioned, so as you can see all the time, so what this thing first did is it just sent the invite, then it tried to call with this number. Due to some issue, I think, okay, I am using a user based account, so that's why maybe it tried to authorize the IP first, but which is saying unauthorized this particular IP. Then it sent again the SDP, sorry, the invite again it sent, and now it's saying that on this particular second it's saying trying to call, your call is important, sorry, 100% 100 trying, your call is important, so it's trying to call this number. And with this particular second it's saying that 180 ringing means this particular number is now ringing, and 200 okay means this call is connected. These are all zip code. I'm going to give you a website where you can learn about what is the meaning of zip code, because asterisk will give you all the response in zip code. So as you can see it's saying when I'm in 180 it's saying it's ringing means when the number was ringing. Then it's saying acknowledged means the call was connected. As you can see 200 okay means call was successfully connected, and it's saying bye means the call was disconnected. So if I select to the bye, you can see the details over here, and normal clearing means the call was connected. So yeah, you can see all these details over here, like the digit, this is my username, all the details you can see from here. So you can use this particular tool to see the live calls in your server, and this particular tool have many kind of function. So if you find this video any helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you to the next video. Thank you.